Hi, Ate Bel and Kuya Anthony. This is it. Ito na yung pinakaantay natin. Matatapos na din yung, yung stress ng buhay nyo. Mapapalitan na siya ng saya. Sobrang blessed ko kasi mawi-witness ko tong araw na to and basta alam nyo na mahal namin kayo.
More understanding and responsible now that you are getting married. Always ask God to guide and help you.
Pepra si Michael. Ay, may pasar.
Hi, Purple. Mahal ko. Thank you for loving me amidst my imperfection.
Wala, mga makilala.
Took a morning ride to the place where you and I were supposed to meet. City on the end of my thoughts are spinning all along my head. It seems they lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we can control. Go round and around it goes. All that we seem to know, we just gotta let it go.
Anthony Palo, we love you, Mabel Borhal. True and true. We'll give you joy. I promise to make you happy, to cherish you and always be there for you. I vow to build our dreams together, to be the man fit to realize those dreams, strong enough to fulfill them. Now our lives are one. Let's start today. I love you.
Love you. I am grateful to Jesus and Saint Joseph for granting me a partner in my journey to eternal life with you. I am also grateful to Mama Mary for all the answered prayers for this day to happen.
All of the answers are found in your eyes. When I'm with you, home is never too far.
Finally, after 12 years, tayo ay mas mangangakong buong pusong magyayakapan at magpapayakap sa Panginoon patungo sa walang hanggang buhay na punong-puno ng kanyang pag-ibig na walang katapusan. Truly, when the time is right, the Lord will always make it happen. I love you.
I found the way home. 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 So I'm coming home to you. You're all I
talaga sa akin, sa pagiging patience mo at times na nahihirapan tayo. Ako din naman, pasensyoso sa'yo. Feeling mo lang hindi. Meron tayo din kasama natin si Kristo palagi sa buhay natin. Maraming salamat at mahal na mahal.